Student loan repayments are making a comeback starting over the next few months. If you're worried about how to start tackling those pesky little debt devils, I got you covered. Student loan repayments can make it tougher to become financially free, but don't let them hold you back. Before we dive in, my goal is to help 1 million households reach financial freedom. Join the Invest Diva movement by checking out and sharing my free masterclass in the description below. Let's dive in now. Over the past few years, student loans decided to hit the snooze button, if you will, all thanks to COVID-19. But the alarm is now ringing. Interest is going to make its grand entrance in September, with bills coming in October. Are you scared? Don't be. You're watching the exact right video to get yourself prepared. Here's what you gotta do. Number 1, understand the government's grace period. The government has a 12 months grace period, meaning that if you can't make payments, you won't get harsh financial repercussions. Basically, you won't face default or credit score penalties even if payments elude you for a bit. While interest continues to grow, this buffer gives you room to adjust your budget so you can resume your payments. Number 2, check out Save and Loan Forgiveness Plans. The Department of Education just rolled out Save, one of its most generous repayment plans yet. For example, borrowers earning less than about $32,800 individually or less than $67,500 for a family of 4 would see 0 monthly payments. Starting next summer, borrowers in the Save plan will have their payments on undergraduate loan cut in half. The other thing you want to check out is the Public Service Loan Forgiveness, also known as PSLF. This program forgives the remaining balance on your direct loans after you've made the equivalent of 120 qualifying monthly payments under an accepted repayment plan and while working full-time for an eligible employer, which is typically government agencies or other qualifying nonprofits. But best of all, the amount forgiven under PSLF isn't considered taxable income. Yay! Number 3, if you have multiple outstanding federal loans, consider consolidating them using the Department of Education. That way, you'll be making one payment and you will retain protections like income-driven plans. But a quick heads up, refinancing private and public loans together will result in losing federal protections like being able to sign up for income-based repayment programs. Now I want to hear from you. Are you still struggling with student loans? Which of these strategies will you use to pay off your student loans? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, remember, make your money have babies and you will never have to worry about student loans ever again. That's the best way. But remember, only make money babies, not real babies, because if you have real babies and you have like a lot of them, then you have to worry about their student loans. It's gonna be a mess. Make money babies. Got it? Good. Loan cut in half. Let me say it one more time. Sorry, I'm gonna say it one more time.